What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Finally Friday.
Woohoo! We made it to the weekend.
If you're new to our channel, I'm John and this is Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and our channel is all about RV living, travel nursing, and all the adventures that come along with it.
And it's about to change.
Yep.
So we have 11 days left in Alabama.
And I have 7 shifts left as a nurse.
Woohoo!
Thank Jesus.
Yeah, so I think John's, well, it's probably just sheer willpower to never take a nursing contract is possibly coming true. He is hell-bent on never stepping foot in a hospital again.
Nope.
And I'm proud of you. I'm
Yeah.
really proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. And if you've been following along on this channel, you know that this has been a long time coming. Because since we've had this channel, I think I've complained about nursing in every single video.
Yeah, basically since you've become a nurse.
Pretty much. Yep.
He has watched the healthcare system basically just crumble, and he doesn't want any part to do with it. So
Nope.
COVID was the final straw.
It used to be that we never really had any kind of lawsuits, and now it's like every time you turn around a new patient suing. It's becoming more hospitality than it is nursing care. The nurses are just asked to do more and more with less and less pay, and the doctors are asked to do less and less with more and more pay. And I'm not about that, so peace out. Yeah.
To new and better things, right?
Yes.
We need cheers. Okay, so I said we're leaving Alabama. We are headed to Texas for a few days to sort out all of our becoming a resident of Texas. So to get license plates and driver's license, and we've already got our mailing address switched and everything. So I don't think there's too much more that we have to do for a residency in Texas. But while we're there, we get to visit some family and some friends. So that's pretty cool. We haven't seen them for a while.
And then after Texas, we head straight to New Mexico and start my new career as a independent insurance adjuster.
Yeah. Are you excited or nervous?
I'm both.
Ready for the challenge.
I'm ready for whatever, as long as it's not nursing.
Right. With him being an insurance adjuster, I'm still not technically going back to work, but I will try and help keep him organized and keep our finances in order and help him with whatever he needs help with to get the job done.
Yep.
So
Kind of like a secretary.
pretty much. But I'm still the director of laundry affairs.
Secretary.
A
What was that from?
It's from New Girl.
New Girl, yeah. My secretary.
But we are also excited to head back to New Mexico because we're going to see family family there too.
Yep.
And friends. So
Yep.
very excited for that. On our quest to becoming true full-time RVers. And when I say that, that's because we've actually been full-time in an RV for years now, but we've always had to own a home because of duplicating expenses, which we no longer have to do. So we are true full-time RVers with no sticks and bricks. We have to find a full-time RV policy for insurance. I had gotten quotes from Progressive, Good Sam, Geico, everybody that kind of has the known ones out there. Actually, our friends and neighbors told us that State Farm just started doing full-time RV policies. So I thought, well, that won't hurt to give them a call. Sure enough, they do full-time policies. The quote that we got for the annual price was about $900 less than Good Sam, and it had better coverage. So
Way better coverage.
way better coverage.
Yep.
So we are very happy with that. We've got that all lined up. So as soon as we do become Texas residents, we can put that into action right away and be full-time RVers.
Yep. So like Morgan said, we are selling our house and we just accepted an offer, and we're very excited about who's buying the house. We are potentially, I say potentially loosely, selling to retired veterans. So that's very awesome. I always like trying to... We're not really helping out veterans, but they really wanted to move to that area, so I'm glad that they found our house, and yay for that.
Yeah, I kind of hate the fact that we don't have like a personal... Like, you don't ever have a personal relationship with somebody when you're selling your house, typically. Because I would like to thank them for their service, and I don't know if we'll ever like have an opportunity to do that, but...
Well, they're getting a pretty good deal on a house, so... Thank you for your service.
Yes.
Here's a good deal on a house.
I think it would be nice. So
Yeah.
maybe we'll send them a letter, a welcome home letter once they go through closing with us.
That's always kind of creepy too, because you know the address. Like, you could go stalk them at any time.
Right.
Yeah, that's creepy.
We're not going to do that, but I would like to thank them for their service at least and for buying my house. So we have a lot going on, I feel like a lot of balls in the air right now that we're trying to juggle. In the meantime, to keep ourselves sane, we are, at least to keep me sane.
Never possible.
We are trying to continue our normal life of purging the RV every 3 months. So every time he ends a contract, we end up purging anything that we haven't touched, don't need. We either donate, sell, or just throw away. Try not to do that, but sometimes it happens. Anyways, we've started our purging. We've also started our whole like spring cleaning and maintenance on the RV, which we will probably do a video about. So.
And my head got burnt yesterday, and it hurts.
Your neck got a lot of sun yesterday too. Yeah, we were out working outside and got pretty burnt. We have had some beautiful weather too. I'm a little nervous about going back to New Mexico because they just got like another 8 inches of snow.
Yep.
So we told our friends there, we're like, you guys better sort that out before we come back because I don't want to see any snow. We've had 80-degree days here for like the last week, so
we'll get there in the middle of April, so it should be done. But
should be.
Yeah.
But this has been an odd year.
Get your crap together, New Mexico.
Yeah, this has been an odd year for everyone weather-wise, I feel like. I'll put the link here, and John's going to tell you what it's for.
So that link is the video from last Friday's Finally Friday, and that is our giveaway. And we are calling it the Road to 1,000. What we're doing is we're giving away 2 laptops, so 2 people will be able to win, and we're going to keep it open until we get to 1,000 subscribers. Mm-hmm. Now this giveaway is to thank all of you guys, you wonderful YouTube people, that we have reached the 1,000 subscribers, and we want to give a thanks back to you guys.
And the giveaway is a Pay It Forward challenge.
Yep.
So make sure and check that link out. I will also link it in the description below. And the winner for the 2 winners for the 2 laptops will be announced once we hit that 1K in a Finally Friday video. So make sure and have your notification bell turned on so that way you are aware when the Finally Friday winner is going to happen.
Yep.
Speaking of notification bells, we have new content that drops every Monday and Friday, so make sure and stay tuned for all future content.
That's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe. See you guys.
Have a great weekend.
Dunzo.